Welcome back to the tenorshare channel. WWDC 2025 has just wrapped up, and iOS 26 beta is officially here. This update brings some truly exciting changes, and many of you can't wait to try it out. So in today's video, we're going to walk you through how to upgrade to iOS 26 beta the right way. First up, iOS 26 beta is available for iPhone XR and newer. That includes the iPhone SA2, SA3, and of course, all iPhone 16 models. Sadly, if you're still using an iPhone XS or earlier, this update won't be available for your device. Now, before you upgrade, make sure you've got a few things in place. Make sure your phone is charged to at least 50% and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If your battery is below 50%, keep your device plugged in throughout the update process. Also, free up at least 15 GB of storage space if your device doesn't have enough space. The update may fail to install properly, so this step is essential. And most importantly, back up your data either with iCloud or by using iTunes or Finder on your computer, because beta versions can be unstable, and a failed update could result in data loss. Now, let's get into the actual upgrade process. Head to Settings, General Software Update. If you see iOS 26 beta listed, go ahead and tap Download and Install. But if you don't see the beta, you'll need to enroll your device in the Apple Developer Program. Here's how. First, go to developer.apple.com, click on the two horizontal lines icon on the upper left side of the main page, and select Account from the options. Then sign in with your Apple ID. After logging in for the first time, you'll see a prompt asking you to accept the agreement. Once you accept it, your device will be registered for iOS beta access. Only after completing these three steps will the iOS 26 developer beta appear in your iPhone software update section, allowing you to proceed with the installation. Then go back to Settings, Software Update, Beta Updates, and select Developer Beta. You should now see the iOS 26 beta available for download. However, many users have reported that the update process can take quite a long time. If you want a faster and smoother way to upgrade, I recommend using a tool like ReiBoot. Once Apple pushes the beta version, ReiBoot will detect it automatically. You just need to connect your iPhone to your computer, open ReiBoot, click iOS Upgrade/Downgrade, select Upgrade, and follow the prompts to download and install the iOS 26 beta firmware directly. No waiting, no complicated settings. And if you ever want to go back to a previous version, ReiBoot also lets you downgrade with just a few clicks. You can download ReiBoot from the link below this video and try it for yourself. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll be running iOS 26 beta as soon as Apple makes it available. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iOS updates and tips.